What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, beautiful people? How are we doing today? We are live. We are live right now. Click the link in bio. I'm telling Instagram right now to click the link in bio. All right, so that way they can go live on YouTube because we're going live right now on YouTube. Okay. All right. How are we doing today? We're doing all right. Drop in a comment. Oh, we're blessed. We're highly favored. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so while we're at that, guys, we're just gonna go over a few things in the market today. Super, super, super excited. It's been um, it's crazy. All of a sudden moves are happening. So we're gonna be diving into. I don't know. I feel like what? I actually want to do something different today. So I was going to go over market, overview, but I think today I actually want to go into details on. uh, Let's see here. Okay, let's go over to, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen real quick. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen real quick. Actually, it's okay. Boom, Finder. Documents, ZAZA Academy, 5-day course game plan. All right, guys. So for those who don't know, we do have a 5-day course game plan. And what that simply means is, you get a 5-day session with me, and in details we'll break down, the market from top to bottom. Obviously, it comes with an investment in yourself of $5.99. However, it's not a priority right now. That's why we're going live on YouTube. But if I were you, I'll prioritize that and just take that one-on-one session with me. So that way you can really dive into the markets. And I have a whole course that we're going to be going over. So today I feel like I already did an introduction to the markets, overview of currency pairs and their characters. All right, cool. And then organized starter market cycles and trends in the market. Okay. So I think today we're just going to do, let's see, business analysis. Okay. So let's go over here. All right, boom. So now what I want to go over today is just basic market structure. Okay. Basic market structure. And we're going to be going over support and resistance. Okay. Support and resistance. Okay. All right, cool. So free content. I love my peoples. Why not? All right, and then I'm just going to use a random pair. So give me 1 second. Let me pick. Okay, cool. We're going to use USD CAD. All right. Delete everything. Okay. All right, guys. Actually, no, I don't want to delete everything. Actually, yes, I will. All right, cool. So today, guys, we're going to be going over support and resistance, and it's basically just understanding where certain areas that the market touched multiple times. That's what determines support and resistance. Okay, so pretty much what areas in the market did I see the market reject a lot of places? So something that helps a lot in market structure is what we call the line chart. Okay, so right here, you click on the line chart. Boom. Okay, so with the line chart, what that does is it takes out all the noise away from the market, where you just see the actual bodies of the candles. Okay, so you see and you go back to candles, you see this? Now you see all this wicks, okay? But when you do a line chart, you don't see those wicks, you see the actual bodies. These are the bodies, right? So when you see this gray candle and this blue candle, those are actual bodies. When you see the wicks, those are just extensions of the body, okay? Extensions on the body, but that did not retain itself, okay? And that's why you just like that. Okay, cool. So, and when it comes to support and resistance, there are three types of ways to indicate that. Okay, so I'm going to use this tool right here. Boom. So I'm going to draw 3 lines. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. So I'm going to show us the 3 different kinds of support and resistance. Okay, so the first one, we have what we call a gap. Okay, so how does a gap look like? It looks this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then secondly, after that, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we have that. Okay. So now that we call a gap. Okay. Everybody got that? I don't know why that's that far out, but okay. Oh, okay. Gap. And then the second one we have is a touch. A touch looks this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's a touch. Now the third one, we have 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. So those are the kinds of those are the 3 ways of support and resistance. Okay. You have a little gap in between, you have it touching each other, and you have it running through each other. Okay. But obviously you did that and still went back towards the upward direction. The same thing over here, it went up, but still continues down one direction. Okay. So now let's go look at that. You can take a screenshot of that real quick if you want. So before we go right over to the charts to draw some. All right, 1, 2, 3, delete. Okay. All right. So now check this out. So we want to draw as precise as possible on places that we see those things happen. Okay. So we have one right here. Boom. Right. And I pull up our tool. So this is what it look. Touch. Okay. Touch. All right. Okay, let's look for more. Boom. Okay. We got it. Yeah. All right. All right. And now we see that. touch. Touch. Okay. And then we have right here. Let's see here. Boom. Okay. We have gap. Gap. Okay. Let's see if there's more. Okay, we have all right, cool. Last one. We have run through. Run through. Fake out, fake out. Okay. And then let's say we have one more. Let's just say we have one more. Let's just say we have one more. Boom. I mean, don't think I'm lying. Look right here. Look right here. Don't you see that? Don't you see that gap? You didn't say that, huh? I know. This is what happens when you do this on a daily basis. All right, cool. So that's just on a daily time frame. Okay, now we can decide to go, okay, I want to go a little bit lower. Now let's go over to the forward time frame, right? And by the way, I'm just going to delete these. I'm going to delete these because you guys get the point now, right? You guys get the point now, right? Drop in a 1 in the chat if everything is making sense. Drop a 1 in the chat real quick. All right. Cool, cool, cool. I see those ones. Thank you. All right, so now we're going to go over to the 4-hour time frame, right? And basically, we don't have to go that far. We're just going to stay right here on the time frame that we're on the newer data. And basically, on the 4-hour time frame, by the way, we're going to change the colors as well. So let's see if we can have those same things as well. Let's see right here. That's too much of a gap. But it's to consider the gap. Let's see. Go back a little bit. Okay, let's see right. Okay, boom, right there. Boom. And then we'll change this one to yellow, orange. Let's do green. All right. Cool, cool, cool. And then let's do another one. So that's the one right there, and that's another one right there. Okay, guys? Okay, cool. And then we have this one right there. We have right here. We have right there. And we have right there. And we probably have one right here. So let's see. Yep, right there. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, support and resistance, right? So basically, you see right here in real time, what happened? Price, broke above this area. That was a resistance, supported right here, pushed up, resisted right there, and kept going. And now look, came back down again, but didn't get all the way down to this level because it's a strong support zone. And it kept pushing back up now. And now it's at a daily support, right? And a daily support, and you also have a 4-hour support on top of that. That means that's a strong zone. right? So when you see things like this, you know, that means that's a strong zone that we have to pay attention to, right? Because once whatever happens in this area now, you know, is either going to um continue to push either towards the upside. Let's just say if this is really strong, so like it says, it's looking like, because it's a daily area and this is also a 4 hour, that's a strong zone. Let's just see if price was to come to this area and it's not strong enough, then it could potentially push back to up towards the upside. Right? Or let's just say it's not strong enough, then it could potentially come, you know, break below it, right? To keep and then to give us a retest to potentially keep going towards the downside. Right. So this is just all potential things that's going to happen. But guys, when you understand that support and resistance is one major key for you to be able to make it in this market, you pay a lot more attention. So this is a free bonus that I just wanted to do tonight. I was super excited and I was just wanted to just come on the charts and to give you guys some value. And I know it was late. I kept procrastinating all day. So, you know, understand that, please, I'm doing this with all the love in my heart, and I want to make sure everybody succeeds. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm only doing this for educational and entertainment purposes. You know, I love to educate, enrich, and empower every single day. So this is one way I believe that I can make a bigger impact in the world for free. No money involved whatsoever. And for those looking for the broker that I leverage, I'm not saying that I'm not recommending the brokers, but that's one that I recommend because I'm the one using it. So it's Sway, and it's right there in the description box. If you want to have the platform that I'm using right now to mark up my charts, it's also in the description box. It's on the right there. It says charting, trading view. And you know, if you just want more mentorship, like I said, if you want access to my 5-day course, very optional. But for those who want more work and more details, I'm more than happy to help you guys get that working and get that education in, so that we can get you going up and running in this market as well, so that we can become, you know, profit at some point. So thank you so much for having me today. Show us some love with our social media accounts. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything helps. Let's keep helping more people. So share the information out. Thank you so much and have a blessed night.